Canon fans, get ready, the beast is coming. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most powerful APS-C mirrorless cameras ever made. With rumors of a stacked sensor, 40 frames per second burst, and even 8K video, this could be Canon's most serious play yet for creators, wildlife shooters, and hybrid filmmakers. If you're new here, welcome to your source for the latest camera news, leaks, and reviews. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our breakdowns of Canon, Sony, Nikon, and more. Rumored specs break down the specs. While Canon hasn't officially confirmed the R7 Mark II, multiple reliable sources like Canon, Rumors and Camera Lookout have shared what we might be getting: a stacked 32, 5MP sensor, or possibly a jump to 40MP BSI CMOs, making it ideal for wildlife sports. And cropping heavy workflows, up to 40 FPS bursts shooting with the electronic shutter, making it a baby version of the EOS R 3.4K at 120 FPS. And yes, some say 8K video might finally land on an APS-C Canon body. Dual card slots, SFEXpress Type B plus UHS-2 SD, Digic X processor plus AI, powered autofocus improvements, improved IBIS for handheld shooters and vloggers, possibly a redesigned grip, weather sealing, and an upgraded EVF, just like what we've seen on the R7 Mark II leaks. Canon's strategy: simple speed and affordability. The Canon R7 already proved that creators want performance without going full frame, with the Sony A6700, Fujifilm X-T5, and Nikon Z50 gaining traction. Canon knows it needs to stay competitive in the under $2,000 market, and the R7 Mark II might be their ace. Why this camera matters? Full-frame cameras are amazing, but APS-C still dominates in wildlife, sports, and content creation, especially for budget-conscious pros. The crop factor gives you more reach. The smaller files are easier to handle in post. And if Canon includes 8K or 4K 120 FPS, it will be a hybrid monster. Plus, if the autofocus gets the same deep learning AI found in the R3 or R5 Mark II, then it could outperform even some full-frame rivals. Release date and price based on insider sources. The Canon R7 Mark II release date is expected around Q4 of 2025, likely in September or October. As for the price, the original R7 launched at $1,499. If Canon includes stacked sensors and pro-grade internals, we're probably looking at $1,799 to $1,999. Still very competitive for what you're getting. Potential weaknesses. The RFS lens lineup is still limited. Overheating could be an issue at 8K, and the camera's success will depend heavily on Canon's lens roadmap in 2025. So what do you think? Is the Canon R7 Mark II the APS-C camera we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts below and let me know if you'd upgrade or wait for something else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. And hey, stay tuned for our next deep dive into Canon's 2025 roadmap.